Welcome to a Read Aloud lesson for English Grade 1. Good morning, children. I am your teacher for today, Teacher Modesta Relente, and now we're going to read a story entitled Diego and Marie Presents A Secret Sense of Home, an early science adventure, a story and illustrations by Robert Magnuson. But before we proceed to the story, let me show you some words that we will encounter during the reading. And so, study the following words. First, cozy, horse, snuck, chimes, whiff, bold. So let's start first with cozy. What do we mean by cozy? What do you see in the picture? The babies are sleeping in their cozy bed. Cozy means marked by or providing contentment or comfort. Snuck. What do you mean by snuck? What do you see in the picture? As you can see, the boys snuck in the room to look for ghosts. So what do you mean by snuck? Snuck means to go stealthily or furtively. Snuck is the past tense and past participle of the word sneak. Okay, next word, chimes. What do you mean by chimes? So what do you see in the picture? I heard the sound of chimes when the cold wind blew. What do we mean by chimes? Chimes is a set of objects giving a bell-like sound when struck. Next word, whiff. The woman got a whiff of a freshly brewed coffee when she put it near her nose. What is whiff? Whiff is an inhalation of odor, gas, or smoke. So that is whiff. Bold. What is bold? The word bold that is used in the story is a lightning stroke, which can be used in a sentence as a huge bolt of lightning hit the ocean. So those are the words that we need to check while reading or while listening to the story that I'm going to read to you. So let us sing first the song, You Are My Sunshine. Do you know this song? So please sing with me. Do you love that song? Very good. Now, let's proceed to our motivation for today. So we need to answer this question after we read the story. So, or did Diego win the game? So let's find out. Are you ready? Now, again, this story is entitled Diego and Marie Presents A Secret Sense of Home, an Early Science Adventure. This is a story and an illustration by Robert Matuson. Marie said to Diego, "I have a game. I know a place that I'm sure you can't name." "Oh, really?" Diego quickly replied. "Well, give me a clue and I'll give it a try." "The place I'm thinking of is where I love to sleep. It's warm and it's cozy because of its heat." "Say nothing more." Diego stood proud and tall. "My skin felt the warmest place of them all." "In the back of this place where they cook all the meals is the warmest of kitchens your godpaws will feel." So the friends snuck right in and got down on the floor till they crawled to a spot near the red kitchen door. So where do you think they're heading to, children? Yes, you're right. They are near the oven. This isn't right. The place that I in mind, the one that I know is a different kind. This place feels too hot and it's making me sweat. I'm afraid you don't know my secret place yet. No. Now listen more closely. Before running around, the place I am thinking of has a bell ringing sound. What do you think, children? This place is a place where there is a bell ringing sound. Well, that solves the mystery. There's a place that's quite near and it's known for its ringing by my big goatee ears. Where do you think they'll be heading to? What place is it? Now, let's find out. This place has two bells and boy, can they ring. Just perk up your ears, you can hear them both sing, said Diego. "I cannot hear you. My ears have gone sore. I have never heard ringing so loud before," said Marie. "Your game is a tough little puzzle to do. I'm sure I can solve it with just one more clue. Aside from its warmth and its bell-ringing fare, the place I lay on is covered with hair," said Marie. "That's it." Diego snapped as his eyes sparkled bright. "I know the spot and I'm sure I am right," said Diego. "Here in this place, there are chimes that will ring and then there are blowers for heating up things. Where do you think is this place? What do you think is this place?" "Yes, this is a barber shop." Very good, children. "Now see on the floor underneath the man's chair. Do you see what I see? There's black cut up hair," said Diego. "But the hair in my place looks white and not black, and they aren't cut up that place gives me milk, all the milk I can drink, said Marie. Oh, Diego said. You give it away. I will now put an end to this game that we play, said Diego. You see, I guessed right. This spot is the place. I can tell that I'm right by the look on your face. Do you think Diego got now the answer right? I know there is milk. Whenever ice cream is made, it's the sweetest delight that my tongue ever craved, said Diego. But where is the pot and where's the white hair? Asked see, this man has the bell that we're ringing in the air. You've got me. I can't guess what you're thinking. What has milk, warmth, white hair, and a bell that keeps ringing? Said Diego. I have one last clue. Perhaps then you'll see. The place that I speak of smells exactly like me, said Marie. Diego leaned over and took a whiff with his nose. You smell just like powder with a touch of red rose, said Diego. Just then, Diego's nose caught the same rosy smell. His ears heard the sound of a softly ringing bell. It's coming from a mommy cat with hair like Marie's. And she even has milk, said Marie. So children, now can you guess now what is the answer to the game? What is your answer? Now let's look on the next page. And I am as warm as can be, said the monkey. That's when it hit Diego like a bolt from the blue. When the cat hugged her kitten, he finally knew. So, now children, can you guess now? Yes, correct. It is in the arms of Marie's mother. So, a place can be a shop or a town that you're from, but it can also be a spot like the arms of your mom. You finally got it, Diego. So, have you finally got it, children? It was easy, Marie, said Diego. The end. Oh, do you like the story? Now, after listening to the story, let us answer the questions and choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Who are the characters of the story? Letter A, Diego and Marie. Letter B, Dan and Marley. Letter C, Dennis and Marie. Or letter D, Diego and May. Next question. Where did Diego brought Marie, which he thought the warmest place of all? A, in the market. B, in the kitchen. Letter C, in the library. D, in the school. If your answer is letter B, you're correct. in the kitchen. Next question. What part of the body Diego and Marie used in order to hear the bells ringing? So what part of the body did they use? A. Eyes, B. Ears, C. Stomach, or letter D. Feet? If your answer is letter B, correct. They use their ears to listen to the bells ringing. Fourth question. What do you think is the answer to Marie's game? Letter A, in the arms of Marie's mom. Letter B, in the backyard. Letter C, in the church. Letter D, in the cone of ice cream. If your answer is A, in the arms of Marie's mom, you're correct. Fifth question. What do you think that Diego felt at the last part of the story? Letter A, sad. B, happy. C, afraid. Or D, shocked. If your answer is letter B, you're correct. Of course, Diego felt happy because he guessed the answer right. These are the references